Where is the best place to add this sentence? The soldiers only had enough oil to light the menorah for a single night, but the story goes that the little bit of oil lasted for 8 full nights. A. Following sentence 4. B. Following sentence 5. C. Following sentence 7. Or D. Following sentence 8. When looking for the best location to place a new sentence, we need to take into account not only which sentence precedes it, but also which sentence follows it, and see which choice gives us the most coherent narrative. We can see that our sentence describes in detail what the miracle of Hanukkah was. That oil that was meant to keep the menorah lit for only 1 night lasted instead for 8. A sentence that clearly refers to this is sentence 8. Thus, the miracle of Hanukkah. However, the word "thus" here implies that this sentence is referring back to something that's already been discussed. But the details of the miracle, that is, our sentence, have not yet been established. Based on this, it seems that the best placement for our sentence would be directly before sentence 8, or, as our choices suggest, following sentence 7. And as sentence 7 discusses the Maccabees relighting the menorah, we can see that this is a seamless fit for our new sentence. Based on this, we can mark C, following sentence 7, as our final answer.